Well, I'm on my way right now, man. Block parade, everything.
Okay.
Hey, make sure y'all support my uncle, man.
Appreciate it. We appreciate you.